Hi guys, I'm going live on my okay, hopefully this works. I'm going live on my laptop because I'm going to splice this video and upload it to YouTube as two different videos, and I think this is the easiest way to do it. I don't know. So I'm just making sure that it looks good in the group, and then we're going to dive in. Hi guys, I'm going on. All right, sounds like it's working. Hi Cooks. I just want to make sure it's working, and then we will get rolling. Okay, hopefully this works. I'm going live on my laptop because I'm going to splice the video and upload it to YouTube as two different videos. And all right. All right. So I just got home and like literally just walked in the door, and I was like, okay, we're going to do this. I have the Mickey and Minnie fans, wall fans to show you guys, and then the air purifier, which a lot of you have had a lot of questions about and interest in, which I love. I love, I love. So let's talk Mickey and Minnie first. So here's the Mickey box. Here's the Minnie box. Super cute. We're going to, I'm like watching my phone. I don't know. Like it keeps giving me this error, and I have no idea what in the world that means. So, but I'm looking on my phone. Everything looks like it's okay. So the Mickey and Minnie fans, they don't light up, but we knew that. They're very cute though. I think they're bigger, but I'm not really sure. So here's Minnie. How cute is this? And like she is popped out, and then you have these different size Mickeys all around. Same concept, same thing. Push the button, this turns. The only difference with this this one in a regular wall fan is it's Mickey and it's red and black. This is matte, a matte black. It's adorable. Adorable, adorable, adorable. So that is Minnie. Let me put her back so I don't get lost and confused, because Lord knows that may happen. And let's look at Mickey. And if you can see right behind me, right there, that is the purifier. It is not on at the moment, but we will turn it on. All right, let's look at Mickey. Here he is. Same thing. He's red, matte black. He's all popped out with all the Mickey heads all around. Super cute. There's, I mean, I know when you go to like Home Goods and stuff, they have all of the, like you can have a whole entire kitchen full of Mickey. You can have a whole entire bathroom full of Mickey. You can have a whole entire house full of Mickey and Minnie. So this is perfect. Perfect. They're adorable. They are available for the whole catalog. So we have Mickey and Minnie in the wall fans, and then we have the two different princess ones with 3 different princesses on each one, and then the Spider-Man one. So we have like every kid covered, I would think.